Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bitcoincore on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar that appears at the top, type in bitcoincore.org and press enter. At the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a download button. Give it a click in order to download Bitcoincore on your PC. You can choose your operating system from the options displayed below. In my case, I'm going to click on this download Bitcoincore. Once you click on that, your download should begin at the top right hand corner. Wait until it finishes. Once the setup file has been downloaded, click on open file. You can now minimize this window and your setup will begin. Click the next button. Choose a destination folder for the application by clicking on browse and selecting where you want the application to be saved. Finally, click on the next button. Select if you want to create a shortcut and click on the install button. Wait until the application gets installed on your PC. Once completed, click the next button and finish setup by clicking on finish. Wait for a few moments and there you'll be able to download Bitcoincore for your PC. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.